How to buy Amazon Prime. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open any browser and type in amazon.in. So if you're not logged in, go ahead and do that. And then you can click on the three bars on the top left corner. And if you scroll down, you'll see under programs and features, it says Try Prime. So go ahead and press Try Prime. So make sure you do select your delivery location beforehand, and you can just press use my current location if that's the location that you want, or you have to add an address and add a new address, and you can just fill in all these information and press add address. And once you do that, you can select which one that you want. So I'm just going to select this one. And then once you select the one that you want, go ahead and press Join Prime. So you can select a payment method. You can decide whether you want to pay with your debit, credit, or ATM card, with your net banking or other UPI apps. So I'm going to select pay with debit, credit, or ATM card. And go ahead and enter your card number and the expiration date, and enter the card details after you enter your card number. And once you do that, then you can successfully buy Amazon Prime.